If you're serious of making it big as a music producer or a beat maker, you need to hear this. The truth is, success does not come from wishful thinking or just talent. It's about applying some hard-hitting strategies that I'm going to share with you today. So you're just probably in your room twiddling your thumbs, probably dreaming about making it big in the industry. And I'm here to help you turn that dream into reality. This is probably weird to you to see a random purple guy on your screen telling you what to do, but this is foolproof and it's gonna work. We'll cover 3 major problems that hold most producers back and how you could overcome them. So while I was researching that the music industry is incredibly competitive and talent alone won't cut it, I uncovered the secret. You need to understand the bigger picture and where you fit in. Let's be honest, you're not putting in the work. You're scrolling through social media, watching tutorials without practicing, and dreaming about success will not get you there. Just start dedicating focused hours on your craft every single day. Set a schedule, minimize distractions, and track your progress. You can use apps or planners to stay on top of your task and ensure you're consistently working on improving your skills. Now, you might be a talented producer, but talent alone does not pay the bills. If you don't understand how the music business works, you're gonna stay broke. You gotta educate yourself on the business side of music. I realized something extremely interesting. Just learn about royalties, licensing, marketing, and networking. Take courses, read books, and watch interviews with successful music producers who have made it in the industry. Knowledge is power, and it's essential for turning your passion into a profitable career. Now, next thing that you need to do is that you need to choose the vehicle. You're spending way too much time on things that don't pay off. Whether it's working on genres that don't have a market or focusing on projects that don't align with your goals, you're wasting your potential. Just identify a niche within music production that is in demand and aligns with your passion. For example, me, I am doing a lot of jerk beats now because that's in. I'm trying to craft my own sound with it so I could stand out from the pack. Study the market trends, see what successful producers are doing, and adapt those strategies. Just experiment in different styles, but always keep an eye on what the audience wants. Remember, being versatile is great, but finding your unique sound and sticking to it can set you apart. Now, by addressing these issues and implementing these solutions, you can start making significant strides in your music production career. It's time to change the way that you think about your craft. Success isn't just about talent, it's about strategy, hard work, and smart choices. You've seen how these principles have worked for me as a successful producer who started from scratch, and I can tell you that these strategies are essential. Imagine you're finally breaking through those barriers and seeing your music career take off. It's not just a dream, it's possible with the right approach. To help you even further, I've created a newsletter filled with insider tips and strategies. This might be confusing, but it's actually quite simple. Just subscribe now, stay updated with all the latest insights, and if you're serious about taking your career to the next level, book a free consultation with me. Let's work together to turn your passion into a thriving business. These are the harsh realities of the music production world, but facing them head on is the only way to succeed. Dedication, business, and strategic focus will set you apart from the crowd. Start applying these principles today and watch your career take off. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, hit that bell for more content. Peace.